Okay, during this video we're going to be making the corner guide block part file. First, what we want to do is go up here and select Start 2D Sketch, and we're going to be drawing this on the XY plane. We're going to begin by drawing the profile of the corner guide block with the line command. We're going to start at the point of origin. We're going to draw a line up at 90 degrees, a distance of 0.75. Then we're going to draw it to the right at 90 degrees, 1.875. Then we're going to go down 90 degrees, 0.375. And then we're going to go 90 degrees to the left, 0.125. Then we're going to bring the line down, drag it down 90 degrees down to the horizontal reference line from the point of origin, or 0.375, and click your mouse and then drag it back to the point of origin. Okay, next we're going to finish the sketch and extrude it, and we're going to extrude it 1.875. Next, we're going to go up here to the view cube, and we want to turn this so we're looking at the right side, or actually the back side if you follow the view cube here. We're going to create a sketch over here on the back side. So click on it, create a new sketch, and we're going to use our rectangle command. And if you place your cursor down here in the bottom left corner of the guide block, so you get the green dot, and click your mouse, drag it up to the far corner so it reads 1.75 and 0.375, and click your mouse. And then finish the sketch, and we're going to extrude that. We want to go inward, and we want to go a distance of 0.125. Okay? Alright. Next, we're going to use the hole command. So select your hole command, and I want to create a hole right here. So I'm going to click somewhere around here in this corner. And the size of this hole should be 0.25, the default, and it should be a through hole all the way through. And we want it to be 0.375 from each side of this corner here. So 0.375, and then I'm going to click on this line over here and type in 0.375. And then select Apply on the dialog box. And we're going to make that same hole over here on this corner. Again, click on the edge and type in 0.375. And click on this edge and type in 0.375. And apply. Okay, next we're going to make a counter bore hole in the opposite corners, and we want the size of the counter bore to be 0.4375. So we need to add a 4 up there. The depth of that counter bore is 0.25, like it says here in the default, and the diameter of the hole down here at the bottom is 0.25. It's through all. And again, I'm going to click over here in this corner, and I'm going to click on this edge, and again we want it to be 0.375. 0.375, and 0.375 from this side. And apply. We're going to make that same type of hole up here in the front edge or front corner. Again, click on the edge, 0.375 and 0.375, and apply. Okay, next what we want to do is choose the type of material. This material for this will be aluminum, so we're going to go up here to where it says generic, and we want to select aluminum 6061. And we want to save this as a corner guide block in the Trammel toy folder.